Hello everyone, Earl Henderson, Primordial Defense. Thank you for watching. I have an unboxing video. I have gotten a new outer vest carrier from Safelife Defense. So I currently have the tactical carrier from Safelife Defense. And this is what I've been using for last, I guess, a couple years now. So the tactical outer carrier has a Velcro spot at the top with, let me get this into view, I'm sorry, has a Velcro spot across the top for being able to put a big tag on the front. It also has the Molly webbing, or Powell's webbing, whatever you want to call it, kind of laser cut into that. And then of course the front of the panel itself has more of this webbing. And then the back, same kind of thing as the front, really, with the exception of it having a drag handle here in the back, which also has a spot for a name tag if you wanted to have this thing with a name tag added to it. And then it's got these cord routing tabs right there. So this is what I've been using, and I like it. However, at the same time, I dislike it. And the reason why I dislike it is because I guess you could say it looks a little too tactical, so to speak. For example, the back panel itself. I don't ever use these. I have absolutely no use for these. I'm not attaching things to my back. I'm in a patrol car, so I mean, it would not make sense to put pouches on the back and then be completely uncomfortable all the time. So if Safelife Defense had an option to get the tactical carrier where the back panel didn't have all this stuff on it, I'd be all over it. But all this stuff, I don't like all this in the back because, like I said, I don't use it, and it just makes it look, like I said, too tactical. I kind of heard some comments, you know, oh, I got a SWAT vest on, or tacked out. Inside joke. So the front, like I said, is almost like the back, with the exception of up here in the shoulder, just kind of like how they're designed or whatever. Other than sometimes the appearance, it's good. I like it. I especially like how I can put body camera on here and put cell phone mount up here, and that works. I don't put anything else up here. I don't put taser holster and flashlight and radio up here. I'm kind of more traditional. I like stuff on the belt. So really, even all this stuff is extra for me, and I don't necessarily need it. This entire Velcro tab right here is just too much for me. I have a badge that goes right there, and then I have the American flag right there. So there's all this open spot right there that is completely unused. So I decided to get the uniform carrier that looks like a uniform top. I kind of like that ability to have that look. That way it will somewhat more blend in with the uniform that you're wearing, and it doesn't look like a SWAT team vest. You know, you're not looking tacked out, so to speak. It just looks like a uniform shirt. And so that's what I ordered. Of course, the packaging that it comes in, it's a lot thinner, since obviously there's no actual armor inside of it. It's just the carrier itself. And of course it will have, you know, the shipping stuff on the outside. But I took all that stuff off. That way internet stalkers can't come find me where I live. I did notice that, I guess, during shipping there was a rip in the packaging. It doesn't look like the carrier has been damaged in any way, so it's still intact, but we'll figure that out more once we get inside of it. I'm going to get my trusty dusty steak knife out. I don't believe in using my carry knife for opening stuff like this. If I need to use that knife, I want it to be the sharpest that it can be and not be dulled from opening packages. And I have no problem whatsoever using a kitchen knife to do these unboxing videos. I always think to to me, I always think it's kind of funny to see some unboxing videos and someone whips out some tactical knife and clicks it open just to open a fucking cardboard. Alrighty. Well, so automatically, I don't know what the hell this is. First I thought it was rat poop, but it looks plastic. I don't know what the hell that is. I see more of it too. It's not poop. I can tell that just by the sheen that comes off of it. Some type of plastic, I don't tell that is. Alright, so there's a packing slip down there. Alright. So it comes in the nice, I say nice, it comes in the clear plastic packaging to keep the material safe. And voila, there you have it. The uniform carrier, so the material, or not the material, but the layout of it. You got 2 breast pockets here, 2 smaller bottom pockets down here, which don't go very deep at all. This is where it stops at, right here. Won't go any further. And then the breast pockets, there's buttons on here, but it's not button, it's Velcro. It's full pocket. Has a has kind of a plasticky sound to it. Of course, the hidden pocket right here, which it goes about this deep. So finger there and finger there. So you got this much space to be able to put stuff in. Has a tab right here for a remote microphone or body camera tab right there. Has the 2 little spots to be able to stick a badge down in through. The shoulder epaulets, which this one is a button that actually appears to work. Yep, so that's a button that actually works up here on the shoulder epaulets. And then the back, the fabric, I forget what's this called, where the fabric is kind of has that pinched appearance. That way it looks more like a uniform shirt. And the sides have the side straps here. So these are the armor pouches right here. And of course this is open all the way through the back. Comes out the other side here. So you can adjust back in here where you need your armor to be at. Actually, I don't know if this will hold armor or not. No, this won't hold armor. So I'll have to take my panels off my current vest and put them in this to be able to have my side armor on here, because this will not accept side armor at all. So useless to me. Inside is the same meshy kind of material as the tactical carrier. Of course, whoop, Velcro opening here in the bottom, and the meshy material. You can, well, you might not be able to see it in the camera, but you can see light coming through here. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so some breathability there. And then here's a material on the inside that's kind of what making the plasticky sound or whatever. Up here, so you could have your name embroidered on this, and then it stay right there. Alright, so that's it. That is the uniform style carrier for Safelife Defense. So the panels that go in my tactical carrier should be going into the uniform carrier. I mean, they should basically pretty much match up in size, and they do pretty much. All right, so now the only thing I got to do is just put the panels in this and put the badge on there and put my other Axon camera mount on this, and voila, I'm done. Now I can, when I have a more traditional, so to speak, uniform look, I can have that. Or, you know, if I want to be quote unquote tacked out, I can just take the panels, throw them in this thing, and be all tacked out to my heart's content. Alright, if you like what you hear and see, go ahead and give me a like and a share. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Earl Henderson, Primordial Defense, thank you for watching.